that they knew what had happened.
We discovered a dead baby in the bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. It came out of me and I didn't know what to do.
Lexi, I told you about this.
But it
I
was
just asked you, baby, to tell me the truth.
scary. It was not crying or nothing.
What did you do to it?
Okay, stop right here.
I
Stop,
just put
stop.
it in.
Number one priority, guys. Number one priority is she just had a baby. I don't know if she's delivered the placenta. She's bleeding significantly.
Yeah.
Do you guys have, I'm the charge nurse here, do you guys have any questions for me?
Like, how big is the baby?
It's full term.
What?
Nothing,
9 months?
nothing was crying.
Lexi, have you watched the news of the girls that what they do to their babies and what they go to jail?
Nothing was crying.
In terms, I'm sorry about this, but in terms of delivering a baby and it looked like you tried to hide it, we do have to have the police involved.
And nothing was crying. It came out with nothing.
I know. But the baby's going to have to be taken for autopsy and there'll be an investigator and everything.
It absolutely breaks my heart to know that this baby girl could still be alive today if this woman had alerted authorities that...
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will delve into a shocking case in the United States involving Brianna Moore, a 19-year-old student at the University of Tampa, Florida, who was accused of killing her newborn child. This is a heartbreaking and complex story that reflects many aspects of modern society. We will go in-depth into the details of the case, the investigation process, the legal aspects, and the lessons we can learn from this incident. Introduction to Brianna Moore. Brianna Moore was a first-year student at the University of Tampa, majoring in biology with a scholarship. She lived in McKay Hall, a dormitory with a view of downtown Tampa and the Hillsborough River. Brianna was described as a hardworking student, but it seemed she had been hiding a major secret throughout her studies. The events of April 27, 2024. On the morning of April 27, 2024, Brianna's roommates at McKay Hall heard sounds resembling a baby crying from the shared bathroom between two rooms. These sounds lasted from about 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., waking them up and making them concerned. One of the roommates tried to enter the bathroom, but the door was locked. When she knocked, Brianna replied with a simple "sorry" from inside. After Brianna left the bathroom, one of the roommates entered and discovered blood on the floor. They took photos and recorded videos of the scene, then shared them among themselves to discuss. Worried about Brianna's condition, they texted her, and she replied that she was experiencing heavy menstrual bleeding. A shocking discovery. The next day, one of the roommates decided to check the trash bin in the bathroom and found a blood-stained towel. Upon opening it, they were horrified to discover the body of a newborn baby wrapped inside. They immediately called the police. When the police arrived at the scene, Brianna initially denied being pregnant or giving birth. However, she later admitted that she had delivered the baby in the bathroom and held the child tightly until it stopped crying. She then wrapped the baby in a towel and placed it in the trash bin. Autopsy results. The autopsy results revealed that the newborn had multiple fractured ribs along the spine and pulmonary hemorrhaging. The cause of death was determined to be asphyxiation due to chest compression, and the manner of death was ruled as homicide. Charges and legal proceedings. Brianna Moore was charged with aggravated manslaughter of a child neglect causing great harm, failure to report a death, and unlawful disposal of human remains. She was arrested in her home state of Mississippi and extradited to Florida to face charges. During a court hearing on November 1, 2024, Hillsborough Chief Judge Christopher Sabella ruled that Brianna could be released on bail, set at $262,500 USD. However, she was required to comply with strict conditions, such as wearing a GPS monitoring device and not leaving Hillsborough County without court approval. Community and family reactions. This case has shocked the University of Tampa community and the entire state of Florida. Many expressed grief for the innocent child and questioned Brianna's mental state and the pressures she may have been facing. Brianna's family and friends also expressed their shock and heartbreak over the incident. The safe haven law and options for young mothers. Lessons learned. This case raises many questions about sex education, mental health support for students, and awareness of legal options for young mothers. There needs to be collaboration between universities, healthcare organizations, and communities to provide timely information and support for those in need. Conclusion: the case of Brianna Moore is a heartbreaking tragedy that underscores the necessity of support and education for young people regarding their responsibilities and available choices. Hopefully, this incident will serve as a valuable lesson for the community to prevent similar tragedies in the future. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it so more people can learn about this case. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.